5 years. 5 years. That's a long time. I can't believe I've been doing YouTube for 5 years now. I'm 62 years old, but going strong. My first real video was on March 31st, 2019. Since then, I've uploaded around 850 videos, 350 shorts, and 500 long form. When I first created my channel, it was meant to complement my book that I put on Amazon on aging well, My Journey to the Fountain of Youth. I did most of my research for that book on YouTube, so I thought having my own YouTube channel to help promote the book would be a good idea. Little did I know the journey I was starting on. It was soon after that the YouTube channel took priority over writing. Why? I found that I really love to make videos. I also found my channel evolving over time from an aging well, anti-aging, growing your hair back channel to a living your best and happiest life channel. I also love to travel and hike, and I think those things are so important to a healthy lifestyle that now I incorporate travel, hiking, and healthy lifestyle vlogs into my channel. And when I went vegan 4 years ago, I incorporate videos on that topic as well. Now, like everyone else chasing dreams and goals, I wish my channel progressed faster than it has so far. But with over 6,000 subscribers and inching towards 1 million views, I shouldn't complain. I'm not satisfied, but I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm just gonna keep on uploading videos, learning, and moving forward. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, said it best: don't worry about algorithms. Put your time into making videos that captivate the audience and keep them watching. Also improve 1% on every video you upload. I think that's great advice, so that's what I'm doing. Instead of sulking about the YouTube algorithm being unfair, which is out of my control. So I control what I can, making better videos. At least I try to do that. I also insist on being consistent. By that I mean I put in a few hours in on my channel every single day. Christmas, my birthday, when we're traveling, it doesn't matter. I will be doing something for my channel every single day. I'm hoping that my work ethic will help me drive my YouTube channel to over 100,000 subscribers and millions of views someday. If that doesn't happen, I'll make sure to enjoy the journey. I'm lucky to be in a position where I can do this full time. Not many people can, so I'm taking advantage of that. We all have to take advantage of our superpowers. Mine is that I'm financially secure, and I'm grateful for that. As for equipment, the camera I use is a Sony ZV-E10 with a Rode microphone. But when vlogging, especially shorts, I'll use the iPhone. As for cameras, I also have these sunglasses that have a 4K camera in it. I use lighting and tripods as well. For editing, I use Adobe Premiere Pro and learn something new all the time. The computer is an MSI Prestige 15 A10SC with a Core i7, and I upgraded the RAM to 40 gigabytes. It's very powerful, but it still doesn't run as fast as I would like, but it could be worse. I do have a green screen, but I use it infrequently. For aerial photography, I have the DJI Mavic 3 drone, and I love this drone. I also have an Insta360, which I haven't used in any videos yet. I've had it for more than a year, so I need to get started on it. The thing about making YouTube videos is there's just so much to learn, and you have to pick and choose. But I'm gonna keep on learning and making better videos for you all. If you have any ideas on videos you would like to see, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to get them done. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. To continue your journey, click on the video or playlist that just popped up. I hope the best for all of you. See you next time.